GRYP is up, as you can see, a massive 209% in the pre-market session of today, the 12th of May, 2025. You can see this intraday high of $4.9 that printed just when the market opened, this pre-market opened. We are now seeing a contraction of the volatility expansion has come down now all the way to 1.63. You may be asking, or you probably already know, Gryphon is going to merge with Hot 8 subsidiary, American Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going to merge with American Bitcoin. Yeah, Gryphon Digital Mining sells on merger with Eric Trump backed American Bitcoin. So Hot 8 American Bitcoin set to go public through merger with Nasdaq listed Gryphon. Yeah. Let's see. US listed shares of Hot 8 had earlier this year joined hands with President Trump's son Eric Trump to launch a Bitcoin mining company called American Bitcoin. Their vision for American Bitcoin is to create the most investable Bitcoin accumulation platform in the market, according to Eric Trump. Yeah, transactions expected to close as of the third quarter of this year, 2025. So that's what's behind this, and we've been seeing this sort of this trend going on. This now is slightly a bit, just all of them, still all around Bitcoin. And the question is it too late now to buy? Is it too late? Statistically, the probability of it printing high highs is there just simply because of this intraday high of 4.9. But I would actually argue that it's highly risky. The probability of it, it's highly risky, maybe a bit too late now to buy. But I could be totally wrong. I could be absolutely wrong about this. So one way we can get an idea of what's going on. This is the 5 minute chart. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart is a lot more durable. Let's see. This is the not coming up. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what's going to give us. It's taking time to come up, but we can still see that here. Let's have a look at but in any case, before we have a look at the market grid, the extrapolation is that we're going to see, by the time you're watching this, it may not be relevant, but we are going to see some strength it might pivot and retrace some of the highs it's coming down from. But ultimately, a correction is expected, is projected naturally. This is what would naturally be the case. Even if it doesn't, even if it continues to print high highs, especially when the market opens, there's a good chance we are still going to see the same extrapolation being projected. And it's just that the range may vary. The range may be to the upside. So here we have a low of 1.13 as a projection by the 21st of May. If it continues to print high highs, we may see the low maybe further up the chart. But yeah, as of now, this is what's going on. This is what's prevailing. I don't think we have any upper projections. No, we don't have any upper projections. Everything is a downward projection. Let's just quickly have a look at the market grid and see what's going on in terms of where the stock is trading relative to the market grid. Let's apply that and have a look and see. Yeah, let's see what the market grid is saying. It gives us an idea of where things are, where the stock is currently trading at, right? Okay, so the market grid, the upper line of the market grid is 3.35, lower line is 0.310. So it's currently trading, the prices as of now is 1.65. Yeah, 1.65. Yeah, this is the 4 hour chart that couldn't load then. It's now open. You can see it's so very far away. Okay, no, it has come back into this price channel. Sorry. Let's see. So 1.65 is what we saw. So yeah, it's just just slightly above, just in between the resistance and the support zone. So it could be cheaper. It could discount a lot more, a lot further. It has a potential to discount a lot further. You know, to present a much more secure, a much more comfortable buying opportunity. But given the regime that it's currently trading at right now, given the bullish trend that is in effect now, that is prevailing now, there's still every likelihood that it can blow through 3.35. You know, you can see that it printed 4.91. Statistically, the probability of them retesting that is there. As such, the probability of it breaking through this price channel is also there as well. You know, just that as it is right now, it has cooled off, but it could even cool a lot more, a lot better. It could cool a lot better. So it's up to you if you think it's there, that opportunity is there, and you want to take the risk. You know, it's up to you. You know, but I'm thinking that the opportunity has the best opportunity has since gone. You know, but how would we have known? We would have known that this is what's going to happen. You know, so yeah, that's what's going on right now. The price has since come back into straight into its price channel on here on Think and Swim, and obviously here on Trading View. You know, but we don't have any projections, but we could try and come up with a projection. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to be really, really dicey. Okay, we could try something anyway. Could try something anyway. Let's see what we can take here. We take 1.65 its current price, and 1.65 not exactly the best. Okay, let's see. We have 0.57. Maybe let's see where we can get some prices. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart and see. Okay, we don't have anything here that can give us something comfortable to deal with. Let's look at a 15-minute chart. Okay, we have some prices here. We take this rejection at $2 and then take this pivot at 1.67. We're gonna get 0.33. We take 0.33 as the difference of those two prices. 0.33 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 1.69. We have 2.22. Easy, I think this can easily print 2.22. Let's see, 2.22 for GRYP. GRYP 2.22. Okay, we'll try a second time. 0.33 multiplied by 2.618. We add that to the current price of 1.68. We'll have 2.54. So we're just going to get modest, really modest projections. Then we try again. 0.33 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 1.69. We have 2.88. Really modest prices. 2.88. 2.88. Do we dare to go bullish, to go really ambitious? Try something like this. 4.9. 4.9 less. Let's see, 1.68. No, we just leave it at that. We just leave the projections at that. We have 2.22, 2.54, 2.88. The probability of these prices printing is there, absolutely. We have seen already the highs of 4.91 already in this session. Yeah, so just have a look and see what you make of GRYP stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.